Hi, I'm Dr. Julie Steinauer, and I wanted to share a success story with you today. You know, I love my success stories, so I'm constantly sharing them. And because we're so excited about the changes that we're able to make with our patients. Now, this patient came to us because of having problems with vertigo, and which is kind of dizziness, unsteadiness, feeling like, you know, not necessarily feeling like things are moving, because that can be vertigo and something called oscillopsia. So in oscillopsia, you actually see and feel like everything's rotating. So things might be spinning. That's a little bit different. In vertigo, you might just feel like things are kind of moving, but they're really not, and you don't see them moving. It just feels that way. Almost like you feel like you're on a boat swishing back and forth, okay? So this particular person had a lot of those things. She had difficulty with driving. She really had difficulty enjoying her life. She had some light sensitivity. There were many things going on for her that she was struggling with. And she had been going to OT and PT and receiving lots of help. And while things were progressing during the time that she was doing all of that, which we would recommend it if it's appropriate, especially if you have vertigo, to go to those other sources as well, because they may be able to help you if it's inner ear related. And she had done lots of these other things, but she was still struggling with feeling like her vision was normalized and like she could go about her day and have a normal functioning day. Well, we actually started her in vision therapy and in our Syntonics program, which, you know, I love my Syntonics. They're right here on my desk always. Okay, but these are some of the Syntonics filters that we utilize to help our patients. And beginning with Syntonics and doing a protocol of brain healing was awesome. And I can tell you with excitement and just like, oh, we were so happy for her that within a month, she was noticing significant improvement in her symptoms, almost to the point where she felt like things were about 90% better in just 1 month. So now if it's you, if you have been through this and you've been struggling, maybe you've been to OT, PT, you've done lots of different other treatments and therapies, maybe you've changed medications or you started supplementation and you're still having difficulty, you know, there is a link between vision and kind of like the system, our kind of like internal inner ear system that helps us feel, it's called our vestibular system, that helps us feel stable. And if the problem is vision related, and that's kind of exacerbating this inner ear issue, then you may have experienced vertigo, or this, again, feeling of like dizziness, maybe nausea, maybe difficulty like feeling like you can keep your eyes focused or working together as a team. If that's you, then contact us, because we can add a wealth of knowledge, maybe a wealth of treatment and amazing, amazing things that could possibly happen to you and improve, maybe even get rid of all of your symptoms altogether with our treatment program of vision therapy and Syntonics. So call us if you're local. Our phone number is 618-288-1489. Now, if we're not talking local, maybe you happen to be in Australia and this is something that you're experiencing, you can still work with us. Go to our website and you can do one of two things. Either click on the consultation button and schedule a consult direct with me, or you can fill out a questionnaire. Now, if this happens to be you and this patient success story that I've described is like, oh my gosh, I so want that to me, well then contact us like I just talked about. Now if it's not you but you know someone who's experiencing this, pass the video along to them. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've not done so already, hit the bell icon and say all. You want all notifications for the videos that we put out because they're awesome. And you know, you never know who you can actually help and whose life you might be able to change as a result of watching a video. And obviously contact us if you need to. And like I said, pass it on if you feel like someone could benefit from it. Okay, thank you.